Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Interstellar Motorhome is a futuristic fusion of luxury on Earth and aspirational interplanetary design concepts, imagining a mobile home designed for unmatched terrestrial travels while paying homage to the stars. This fictitious car goes beyond the traditional definition of a motorhome by positioning itself as a land-based spacecraft intended for affluent people who require both extreme comfort and a distinctive, cutting-edge look. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Interstellar Motorhome's exterior profile is probably going to forego conventional RV design cues in favor of streamlined, aerodynamic lines influenced by futuristic architectural forms and spacecraft. Imagine a smooth, monolithic building that is maybe mostly silver or obsidian black, with large, cleverly tinted panoramic windows that provide residents with private yet immersive views of their surroundings. The vehicle's features would be emphasized by integrated, flush-mounted lighting systems, both ambient and functional, giving it an unearthly appearance, especially in low light. The incorporation of cutting-edge materials, such as alloys and composites that may be lightweight but remarkably durable, would support structural integrity and maximize fuel efficiency. Or, if the powertrain leans toward advanced electric or hybrid technologies, energy usage. In order to further improve the vehicle's streamlined appearance, access points would probably be seamlessly integrated, possibly using automated, touch-sensitive panels that retract smoothly. Inside, Mercedes-Benz's dedication to elegance and technical innovation would be exemplified by the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Interstellar Motorhome. The living area would be painstakingly planned with a focus on practicality and simple elegance. Picture a spacious, open floor plan with panoramic windows letting in natural light and discreetly integrated, mood-enhancing ambient lighting control systems. The finest materials would be used, maybe including soft leathers from ethical sources, brushed metallic accents, and beautiful woods from sustainable sources. In order to maximize space use, furniture would probably be multipurpose and adaptable. The state-of-the-art technology infrastructure would include a fully integrated smart home system that controls communication, entertainment, security, and climate. When not in operation, a holographic projection system might function as a flexible information and entertainment interface that blends in perfectly with the car's exterior. With modern, energy-efficient appliances and tastefully hidden storage options, the kitchen would be a gourmet paradise. To guarantee the best possible sleep, sleeping spaces would be created as secluded havens, possibly with circadian rhythm lighting and noise-canceling technology. High-end fixtures and finishes, perhaps with spa-like facilities, would be included into the bathroom to match the overall design concept. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Interstellar Motorhome's drivetrain is probably going to be the pinnacle of automotive engineering. A highly developed electric drivetrain with a significant range, enhanced by advanced energy recovery technologies, is conceivable given the timeline. As an alternative, a state-of-the-art, clean-burning hybrid system that prioritizes environmental awareness and performance might be used. In order to ensure a safe and easy driving experience, the driving cockpit would be a tribute to ergonomic design and cutting-edge driver assistance technologies, possibly including augmented reality displays and user-friendly control interfaces. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz Interstellar Motorhome essentially aims to create a spacecraft that goes beyond the conventional motorhome experience by providing a mobile haven that blends cutting-edge technology, unmatched luxury, and futuristic design, all while inspiring an air of interstellar ambition rooted in Mercedes-Benz heritage of superior automobiles.